Hello everyone, welcome to Plabita's tutorials. Friends, if you're a regular viewer of my channel, then what you have to do? Yes, you already know it. Yes, you have to hit the like button, share my channel with your friends and families, and if you're completely new, then you have to subscribe my channel and also tap the bell icon to get regular updates. And if you don't want to miss anything of this video, then you have to watch the video till the end. Friends, language plays a major role in our life, right? Whenever we move outside our house, we meet different kinds of people who speak not only our mother tongue, they may also speak different kind of languages. And it is necessary for us to know at least 3 or 4 kind of languages, which makes us easier to get communicated with the people. Clear? And apart from this, most of the people uh, find easier when they speak in English. If we cannot speak our different kind of languages, also if we can communicate with the English language, then also people find it comfortable to communicate with you or us. Yes or no? So English is a universal language, we know it, and so we have to learn the language and also master over it so that we can speak it fluently and get communicate with people and do not face any kind of problems. So in our daily life, whether you are a businessman, you are a professional, or you are a housewife, you are a student, you must learn the language properly so that you don't have to lag behind the other people in your daily conversations. Okay. So that is why I have decided to also upload videos on spoken English so that you can master or you can learn the language properly and speak it fluently. So I will upload videos on spoken English in my channel, and you will get updated with it also regularly from time to time. And so you please follow these videos properly so that you can improve your English speaking skill. Okay, and you have to follow a syllabus for it. The first and foremost thing that you have to know about spoken English is that the English grammar. And don't worry, you don't have to worry for it, because I have already uploaded many videos on English grammar, and again I will be uploading it, so you can improve your English grammar from those kind of videos only. And besides this, you have to learn the pronunciation of different kind of words, and for this also I will upload videos. You just follow the videos, you will get updated. Okay, so I will already inform you whatever videos I will upload you, and from that only you will know the syllabus of the spoken English course. So please follow my videos on spoken English if you want to improve your English language properly. Okay, today in the first video of spoken English, I'm going to discuss with you about how to greet people when we meet them and how to respond to that greeting. Okay, so greeting is a kind of salutation when we meet a person or express our wishes to that kind of person. Okay, so here are 3 ways how we can greet a person when we meet them. So the first one is like this, that if we meet a person, depending on the time, the way of greeting depends. Okay, if you meet a person between 5 to 12 in the morning, then you say, or we can say, good morning. We can say good morning sir, good morning madam, or good morning Mr., Mrs., like this. Okay, if we meet a person from 12 p.m. to 6 p.m. in the afternoon, then we say good afternoon. We wish that person by saying good afternoon. Clear? And after 6 p.m. if we meet someone, or after the sun sets, then we can wish or greet that person by saying good evening. Clear? So depending on the time, we can wish a person either good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Okay, this is the way of greeting a person depending on the time. Now we have to respond to the greeting, yes or no. If someone says you good morning Miss Lisa, then you have to respond to that greeting, yes or no. You cannot move back without saying anything. So how you will respond to the greeting? Yes, you will say like this, good morning Miss D'Souza. Similarly, if someone wishes you good afternoon Mr. Jones, then in response to that greeting you have to say good afternoon Mr. Alex, like this. Similarly, if someone wishes you good afternoon, then in return also you have to say good afternoon. So you must keep in mind one thing, that depending on the time, you have to know, keep in mind the time when you have to greet that person with which kind of salutation. Okay, this is the first way of greeting people. It is very simple and all of us know it. But secondly, we can greet people casually. It is not necessary that all the time you have to see what's your time and whether it is morning, evening or afternoon, and you have to wish or greet someone. Not necessary. Sometimes you can just greet someone casually and then you can move on. Okay, so very simple. You can use the words like hey, hi, hello, like this. Okay, but remember one thing, the word hey, you can use this word hey only to the people whom you know very well, not with everyone. Okay, you can use it with close friends, but not with the elder ones. Okay, you must remember this, that hey, if you want to greet someone hey, you can use it only to your closed ones. Otherwise the words like hello, you can use with your elders also, like this. Then you can also say how are you doing. Okay, these are certain kind of greetings or salutations when we meet people and you want to wish them casually. And in return, what you will say, if someone says you hello, then in return you will also have to say hello. If someone asks you how are you, you have to say I am fine, thank you. Clear? Or sometimes if someone asks you how are you doing, then you will have to say great, how about you. So this is also a kind of respond to a greeting casually. Clear? This is the second kind of greeting to a person. Then comes the third way of greeting a people or saluting a people, and it is a formal one. When you will formally greet someone, you don't have to say all the time hey, hello, good morning. You can also wish them like this. How do you do? This is a formal way of greeting about person, and in response to that greeting will say I'm fine or better, I'm well. So this is a kind of greeting when we meet people at the for the first time in a day. Okay, so these are certain ways of greeting people whenever we meet them, and we must greet it in such a way that the people get impressed by your wishes. Okay, so I hope you have learned it, and from today onwards you just start greeting people in this kind of ways and try to impress them. And if you want to learn more about it and or more about my videos on spoken English, stay tuned with me. Thank you for the day.